Hello and welcome to Expo Express. Expo Express is an exposition website that allows organizers to create events in a virtual environment. Our primary users that we will demonstrate are system administrators, organizers, exhibitors, attendees, judges, and VIPs. The system administrator has control over the entire web application. With this includes the ability to manage events. This is done with the Event Espresso plugin available on WordPress. To add a new event, the system administrator will click on New Event within Event Espresso. From here, they will navigate to Add New Event. Now, the system administrator will add a title to the showcase. In addition, they can add media or description. We will go ahead and add a picture. Pictures now showed up. We have additional options and features that you can input if needed. We will go ahead and set the time and date of the event, and we'll start it for today, April 6th, and we will end the event on April 26th. Click Done. Our event will be free, so there is no need to add any price, and we will turn comments off, so that way people cannot comment on the event page. We will hit Publish, and the event will now be created, and it will be displayed on the calendar page. From here, the system administrator can click Event Archive and their new event will be shown. If you click More, your image and description, if you have one, will be displayed, along with the date and time of the event. Our next user is the organizer. The organizer has the capabilities that the exhibitors, judges, and attendees have. Their main responsibility is to add judges, manage event categories, voting categories, and judging categories. We will start with managing judges. Organizers need to just click Manage Judges, and they will be presented with all the categories so far in this exhibit. From here, organizers can click any category that they want to assign a judge. As we can see so far, Dan Brown and Malcolm Gladwell are currently judged. We can then add Nancy Drew if we want to add. We can navigate to the Manage tab here and go directly to adding categories for exhibits. This page allows us to add categories for the current exhibit. Currently, we have a bunch of different ones for the car show. If we made a mistake, we can click it and then remove. If we want to, we can also add a category. We can then hit Add, and now Cybertruck is now added to our showcase. Additionally, we can add voting questions that attendees and additional users can use to vote on during the exhibit. Currently, we have most innovative, best presentation, and most challenging. We can now add a voting category if we need to. Most fuel efficient seems to be a good category. As you can see, most fuel efficient is now added. The next user is the exhibitor. The exhibitors are the main focus of Expo Express. They have the ability to create and edit their exhibits and have them on display for the general public. We will create a new exhibit to see how this process works. We will start with selecting a category for our exhibit. We are doing a Shelby Mustang, so we're going to make it a sports vehicle. Submit. Next, we are going to create a new exhibit. Here, we'll enter the title, Shelby Mustang. Next, we will choose our image. We will then enter our description. And lastly, for us, we will enter a URL for our exhibit. Additionally, you can add PDFs, Word documents, or PowerPoints. Next, we're going to hit Preview. Everything seems to be in order, and hit Publish. Our exhibit is now made, and attendees, judges, organizers can now view our exhibit. Our next user consists of VIPs and judges. VIPs and judges have the ability to judge exhibits and rate them based on a set of questions provided by the organizers. In order to judge an exhibit, judges need to come into the category. For our case, we are able to judge convertibles. Exhibits that are able to be judged will have a judge button on them for easy identification. We'll go ahead and click the Fiat. Here, we can rate based on how well the exhibit did, how well it was presented, and how challenging it was. And we can leave comments. Submit. We can then view the results by clicking on the voting tab and view judging results. Click on convertible, and now our result is available for the entire website to see. Judges and VIPs also have the unique feature of being able to video chat with the exhibitors. As we click join, we'll be presented with the exhibitor. Our last user is the attendee. Attendees have the ability to view exhibits and vote on exhibits. To view exhibits, they have a couple of ways. They can go down here to categories, or they can go here to view exhibits. On this page, they can narrow down their search. If we go to sports vehicles and type in Ford, son of a bitch. By selecting sports vehicles and entering Ford, we can narrow down our exhibit. Additionally, if we wanted to leave a review for the exhibitor, we can leave a comment in the comment section here. Attendees can also vote for exhibits. Current categories consist of most innovative, best presentation, most challenging, most fuel efficient. Attendees also have the capability of voting on the exhibits. We can then navigate over to the view voting results. Now we can see that the exhibits that we just voted for are displayed.